Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by washing and thoroughly drying 8 cups chopped kale, removing tough stems and cutting leaves into 1-inch pieces. Place kale in a large bowl and pour in 1/3 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon honey. Sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt and massage vigorously for about 3 minutes until the leaves darken and soften. This breaks down fibers and reduces bitterness. Taste after massaging and adjust acidity with another teaspoon of lemon juice, or a pinch more salt if needed to balance. Prepare the dressing by whisking together 1/3 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon honey, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper in a small bowl until emulsified. Taste and adjust with a dash more lemon or honey if it needs brightness or sweetness. Fold the dressing into the massaged kale so every leaf is lightly coated. Immediately add 1/2 cup dried cranberries, 1/2 cup chopped walnuts, and 4 ounces shaved Parmesan. Toss gently to combine so crunchy nuts and sweet cranberries distribute evenly. You can serve this kale salad immediately for maximum texture, or refrigerate for 30 minutes to 24 hours to let flavors meld. The massaged leaves resist wilting. If making ahead beyond a day, store the salad in an airtight container for up to 3 days and keep extra dressing separate to prevent sogginess. For variations, toss in 1/2 cup cooked quinoa, 6 ounces grilled chicken, or swap walnuts for 1/2 cup pecans. Finish with extra lemon or a light sprinkle of flaky sea salt just before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.